Hello everybody, welcome to the video. What's the coin? Well, I'm going to show you some small sections of some circulating British coins, and you just got to guess what they are. Simple as that. There'll be 20 in all, and see how many you can get. Right, this is the first one. 3 seconds. Yep, Battle of Britain. Battle of Britain coin 2015. Issued to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the Battle of Britain. That was quite an easy one. What about this one then? 07. A little bit more difficult perhaps. 2 seconds, 1 second, here we go. Yeah, it's the Scouts. 2007 Scouting 50p. Celebrating the 100th anniversary of the Scouting movement in the UK. 1907 that started. Okay, number 3. What do you think this one is? Probably not as easy as you think. I bet some people have said Shakespeare's comedies. It's not, you know. If you said Shakespeare's comedies, you lose a point. 3 seconds. Yep, it's the Mary Rose. Mary Rose 2011 £2 coin, minted for the 500th anniversary of her maiden voyage in 1511. I remember that. I don't remember the maiden voyage. I remember when they raised it from the Solent. I think it was about 1983, wasn't it? 1983, yeah, I think it was. Yeah, I remember watching it on the telly. Do you remember watching it? Wasn't it? I think it was 1983, yeah, when they raised it. Or it could have been 1982. Okay, number 4. What we got here then? Could it be another £2 coin? JB there, so we know it was designed by Justin Bieber. A little flower down there. What can this one be? 2 seconds. And yeah, this one is Shakespeare's Comedies. 2016 Shakespeare's Comedies, actually designed by John Bergdahl, commemorating the 400th anniversary of the death of William Shakespeare. Now, Shakespeare was born on St George's Day, 23rd of April 1564, and died on the 23rd of April again, 1616, 400 years before this coin was minted. Okay, number 5 now. Now this one I think I've made too easy. What we got there then? Some cogs at the bottom, is that? 2 seconds. Yeah, I've made it. You'll all get this one. Yeah, it's the Richard Trevithick 2004 £2 coin, celebrating the 200th anniversary of the first steam locomotive by Richard Trevithick. 200 years, just think. 1804, that steam engines. And the next one then, number 6. Probably not so easy. Don't know if I would get this if I just saw this image. I know what it is, obviously. 2 seconds then, come on. Have you got it yet? Yes, it's the Victoria Cross, the medals, or the awards from 2006, commemorating the 150th anniversary of the highest award in the British Honours System, the Victoria Cross. Lovely coin. When that's in good condition, that's a lovely coin. See the date there, look, 29th of January, 1856. Okay, number 7. What we got there? A clover, or a shamrock, I should say. Well, same thing really. All shamrocks are clovers, but not all clovers are shamrocks. I think that's how it goes. What do you reckon then? 3 seconds. Probably easy this one, isn't it? Yeah, it's a £1 coin. 2017 £1 coin. Now, the pound coin was first introduced on the 21st of April 1983. This one is the new 12-sided version from 2017. Now there is a mule. You see the tiny little letters 2017 on the rim. That is a mule, where on the obverse is 2016. I don't know anybody who's got one. Has anybody found one? Does anybody know anyone who's actually found one? Very difficult to see. You need to get your microscope out. Here's the definition of a mule coin. A mule is a coin or medal minted with obverse and reverse designs not normally seen on the same piece. The name derives from the mule, the hybrid offspring of a horse and a donkey, due to such a coin having two sides intended for different coins. much as a mule has parents of 2 different species. Okay, number 8. Right, what does that say? Eno? Ink? I think you can get this. I think this is quite easy. What do you think? 1 second. It is. Yeah, it's a dictionary coin. 2005 50p, marking the 250th anniversary of the publication of Samuel Johnson's dictionary. Apparently the Royal Mint have said there's a known error on this coin. They haven't said what it is. I don't know what it is. Does anybody got any information on that? Here we are, number 9. What do you think this one could be? I don't think this one's too difficult to get. I think the mottled surface gives it away there. Yep, it's the 2007 £2 coin to commemorate the bicentenary of the abolition of the slave trade. There is another NIFC version that's found its way into circulation that you might find. It's got a smooth finish, not a mottled finish, and you can see the initials DG on it for the designer David Gentleman. Number 10, what we got here then? Some sausages? They're not sausages. No, they're definitely not sausages, but what coin is this? I wonder if you can guess this one. I think this is difficult. Here we go. Yeah, fish and chips. 2019, this one. 2018 have the same design. The only UK coin featuring the Great British Institution of Fish and Chips. I think they're right there. I can't think of another one with fish and chips on it. Okay, number 11. What do you think about this one then? I think you might get this. I think it's obvious when you look at it, isn't it? Perhaps not. It is now. It's Paddington 2018 50p. Paddington captured in a classic adventure as he visits Paddington Station, according to the Royal Mint. And the initials DK there is for David Napton. Now here we are at number 12. Right, what do you think this is then? I bet a lot of you think you know what it is. If you said aquatics, then you lose another point. Not aquatics. What else could it be? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's Olympic sailing. Olympic sailing 50p, mintage 1,749,500, and it was designed by Bruce Rushin. That is one of my favourite Olympic coins, that. Probably in the top 3. Right, what about number 13? What's this then? What is that all about? If you squint, I think it's easier if you squint, that one. Yeah, I think you'll get this one. I don't think there'll be any problems there. It's wheelchair rugby. Olympic wheelchair rugby from 2011, dated 2011 for the 2012 Olympics. Designer Natasha Radcliffe. 1,765,500 of those minted. Now, Natasha Radcliffe. She designed something else, didn't she? Let's have a look. There she is. Yeah, she designed the handball as well. So she designed the wheelchair rugby and handball. Moving on to number 14. There's a YH. Yvonne Holton is the designer. That should be a big clue. What do we think this one is then? 2 seconds. There we go. It's a £2 coin. It's the Act of Union £2 coin, celebrating the political unification of Scotland and England in 1707. Now, the description says 2 parts of a jigsaw, but there's 4 parts there, surely, isn't there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jigsaw pieces there. I can see 4 anyway. Now, this one here, what do you reckon? I think this is so easy. As soon as I see this, I would know what it was anyway. What do you think? 2 seconds to get it. And it is... yeah, it's Olympic shooting. Mintage 1,656,500 of those. And the designer was Pravin Dudri. And this is his own words on what it represents. So you can pause that and have a read of it if you want to. Number 16. Okay, what we got here then? 620, 6:20 p.m. There's a big clue. What do you think? Very zoomed in, this one. Here we go. Yeah, it's a post box. A to Z, 10p set, P for post box. Or pillar box. I think that's one of my favourite alphabet coins, that one. Very nice little design there. I don't know who designed it, it just says Royal Mint Design Team. Do you think the public are becoming more knowledgeable about coins?
What coin formerly worth 5 shillings now has a face value of £5?
Pass.
Probably not. Now I've got to number 17. What about this one then? Does the mottledness of this one give it away? What do you think about this one then? I think this is one you either get instantly or not at all. Here we go then. Yes, look, it's the humble 5p coin. 2019 5p, mintage figure 92,800,000. Quite a lot then. And that is the centerpiece of the shield design. Number 18 is the what though? The mystery coin? What can it be? Any ideas? I think a lot of people will get this. Here we go. Let's have a look then. And it is suffragettes. Yes, it's the suffragettes 50p. Suffragettes 50p from 2003, commemorating the centenary of the establishment of the Women's Social and Political Union. And they're on their banner there, look, WSPU, that's what it stands for. Now we come to coin number 19, and we've got a big number 19 there. What do you think this one is? 19. I think this is easy as well. I think these are too easy. I think a lot of people have got this already. But here we go anyway. Yep. Representation of the People Act. 50p, commemorating the 100th anniversary of the Representation of the People Act being passed. This historic act granted the vote to servicemen over the age of 19, to all men over the age of 21, and to women over the age of 30. I think that's a very nice design. I think that's an underrated design. I think they minted too many of them, but the design's very nice. Okay, number 20, this is the last one. Lots of people's favourite design, this. What can it be? Little man there in a boat waving. But what design is it? Here we go. I think you know, don't you? I think you know. And it's the Great Fire of London £2 coin, marking the 350th anniversary of the iconic moment in the city's history. Yeah, it is a very nice design, that one. I like that. I think that is probably my favourite £2 coin as well, along with Magna Carta. I do like that one. Well, there we are. Tell me what you thought of that. Shall I do some more? Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. I'd appreciate that very much. Anyway, let me know what you think. Put a comment in the comment section below, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.